Dear students, let's continue our topic, which is simple microscope. Now we are going to find out the magnifying power or angular magnification of simple microscope. Now what is the definition? It is defined as the ratio of angles subtended at the eye by final image. By final image, two angles subtended at the eye by object when both are situated at least distance of distinct vision. Okay, now we came to know here that the image formed is at the least distance of distinct vision, and let this image is making an angle beta. This angle is beta with the principal axis and at the eye, when viewed through the eye. Right, now let this object be shifted to position at least distance of distinct vision, and this is named as A1B, and let this angle made by this is alpha. So accordingly, the definition m is equal to beta by alpha. Since angles are small, so we can write tangent beta is equal to beta and tangent alpha is equal to alpha. So m can be written as tangent beta upon tangent alpha. Now we can get the value of tangent beta. Tangent beta in this triangle ABC, tangent beta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is AB and base is CB. Since all the distances are measured from the optical center, so tangent beta can be written as AB by CB. Similarly, tangent alpha can be written as, now tangent alpha is in this triangle A1CB dash. So tangent alpha will be A1B dash upon CB dash. So tangent alpha we will write A1B dash upon CB dash. Now putting these two values in this m expression, m will be AB by CB into CB dash by A1B dash. Now we know that this A1B dash is equal to AB, so this will cancel out and magnification will come out to be CB dash upon CB. Now what is CB dash? CB dash is the distance of image, so we will write minus V because the distances are taken in a direction opposite to the direction of incidence light. And CB is the distance of object, so this is minus U, which is equal to V by U. So magnification comes out to be V by U. Also we know by the lens formula that 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Multiplying both sides by V, we will be having 1 minus V by U is equal to V by F. So from here we can get the value of V by U. V by U is equal to 1 minus V by F. Right. Now V is actually is equal to the least distance of distinct vision, which is equal to minus D. So we will put that 1 plus D by F. So instead of V by U, we will put the magnification is equal to 1 plus D by F. So magnification will come out to be 1 plus D by F. So this is the formula for magnification. Magnification produced by the simple microscope, 1 by F. Right, so this is all about the simple microscope and how we can find out the magnification. Now when the object is at the focus, in that case image formed will be at infinity. So in that case object distance which is U, in this case U can be taken to be equal to F. So in that case m is equal to D by F. So magnification will be D by